Hey, would you like to make some extra money from your mobile phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to be going over the top 7 highly rated apps for making money online, specifically through your smartphone. So if you have a smartphone, which I'm sure that if you're watching this video, you do have one in your possession, and you could actually make money from your smartphone from various different apps that you could, of course, download. But I want to go over what I believe are the top 7 highly rated apps for making money with your phone in 2020 and 2021, even beyond that. So I'm very excited to, of course, go over these top 7 apps. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that will show you how you can make money online, how to grow an online business, and different ways that you could, of course, work from home, make money from the comfort of your own home. So if you enjoy videos like this, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and then this way you can be notified whenever there's a brand new video on this channel. But without further ado, let's go over these top 7 apps that you can get on your phone to make some extra money in 2020. Alright, something that I want to mention real quick before I actually, list these different apps is that most of these apps that I'm going to be going over are available in both the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. So most of them you can get on, both devices regardless of what you're using. That is with the exception of this one right here, which is number 7. Number 7 is Money Lock Screen, and this one is exclusive to Android devices. So really how this works is you download the app, you get it installed on your Android device, and then you turn on a setting that enables ads on your lock screen. So anytime you open up your device and you slide the you first have to slide through the ad, and then it goes to your normal lock screen, and then once you slide again, then it opens up the mobile phone. So that's really how it works there. And the benefit with this app is that it's pretty much free money as long as you're using your phone, which chances are if you're on this video right now, you're already picking up your phone, multiple times a day, numerous times, whatever it is that you're doing, watching TikTok memes or whatever it is that you're doing, you might as well get paid to use your phone. So if you have an Android device, this one for me is really a no-brainer. I'm currently an Apple user, but I am probably going to be making that switch over to Android in a bit. But this is one that I would recommend checking out. Now, there's 2 other apps that are similar to this that I've heard of, called SlideJoy, and I think the other one's called Fronto. Those ones had really good reviews for, like a few years, and then as of recent, I guess they've gotten a lot more negative reviews where it's kind of gone down, and, like the points that you get, of course, they've, of course, gone down a bit, but this one, it has an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, so this is a very good rating, and literally, again, all you're doing is you just download the app, and then you just kind of, let it run on autopilot, and anytime you use your phone, once an ad, once you slide across an ad, then you get paid, you get your points right there. So this could obviously then be redeemed for, let's see what this could, of course, be redeemed for. But if I click on features, it'll show, I think it'll show like where you could, of course, redeem it. But I believe this one, let's see, it doesn't seem like it says it here. But it doesn't appear like it says, where exactly you get paid. But I think with this one, it's like, usually like gift cards is what you could, of course, expect to get from this. So like, gift cards, maybe PayPal cash. Yeah, it just shows a bunch of backgrounds there. But anyways, yeah, this is number 7 on the list. Let's move on to number 6. Number 6 is an app called Study. This one is available on both the Apple App Store and the Android Google Play Store. So pretty much how this one works is you could find work and earn money. So this has various different ways that it recommends on, different, jobs you could find. It also recommends certain apps that you could, of course, check out. So this one is almost like a central hub of like, here's, the best of different mobile apps to make money online, whether it's finding a different job, like an app related to that, or maybe it might recommend some other money-making app that maybe you've never heard of. So this is one that I would definitely recommend checking out because it can give you a lot of ideas on where to find new apps to, of course, use to make money. And this one has an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. So it's gotten a lot of very great reviews, and, you could use it to, of course, find new ways to, of course, make money from your own phone. So there's a lot of things out there, and, some things are, of course, better than others. Some things, you put in lots of work and you get like peanuts in return. So an app like this is very convenient because it allows you to see, okay, what's exactly out there? Where can I, of course, make more money with my phone? And yeah, it's just one that I recommend checking out. So that is number 6 on this list, is called Steady, Find Work, Earn Money. Let's move on to number 5. Number 5 is an app called Lucky Day. So this is an app that pretty much, they have like these daily lottery tickets that you could of course get. These like, scratch off tickets. And I personally, I'm going to be completely honest, when it comes to lottery tickets, like in real life, like going to your local store and buying lottery tickets, I'm typically not a fan of that because I don't believe in, getting rich through luck. I don't like that at all, especially when, you hear all these stories of people who, they spend lots of money on lottery tickets, they get rich, and then there's all these stories about people losing that money within a few years. So for that reason, personally, I'm not a huge fan of lottery tickets. However, this is something where you could, of course, do, certain scratch-off tickets and, different lottery raffle things without having to actually pay anything. So that's why I would recommend an app like this, because you could, of course, check out certain like contests that they have, play the daily lotto, free to play. There's, like winners every single day, and, you could just try your luck right there. So it gives more information here about what they have to offer. If I scroll down here, so these are the features that they have. So you could win real money. So win the jackpot prize of $100,000 by entering the daily lotto. Win up to $10,000 by matching 3 winning symbols on the instant win scratch cards. And then earn rewards, earn gift cards from top brands, including Amazon, Walmart, Dunkin' Donuts, Target, yada yada. So a bunch of, brands like that. And then there's enter cool raffle giveaways to win huge prizes. So you could, of course, play it daily. They've got new scratch off cards, every day at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bonus scratched cards daily at 10 a.m. And then play Lucky Day for 5 minutes to test your luck and get lucky. So lots of really cool stuff. Lots of opportunities for you, of course, to potentially win something. And yeah, you could, of course, make some extra money with this. So this has an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's got a lot of great reviews, and you could, of course, check them out here. And yeah, again, it's completely free to play. You don't have to pay anything, and you could actually essentially, do scratch off tickets or, lottery tickets, stuff like that, without having to actually invest money in it. So that is, I guess, the one time that I will recommend something like playing the lotteries, because, well, with this, it's from your own phone, doesn't really take much work, and you could, of course, try your luck there. So that is number 5 on the list. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is probably one of my favorite ones. It's the Acorns investment app. Now, the reason why I really like Acorns a lot is because with Acorns, you pretty much sign up and it pretty much invests for you on autopilot. So this is what I like to refer to as like passive investing, where it invests money for you, in the long term for you pretty much on autopilot. And pretty much how it works is there's 2 main things that this app does. You could set a specific like recurring amount to be invested each week. So for example, you could do like as little as $5 a week. Otherwise, you can go like, $10, $15, or whatever custom amount that you feel comfortable with. You could have that go into your Acorns account. And then also what it does is that you could, of course, link it to your credit card. And then anytime you go to your local store or, you make a purchase, whether online or offline, it then rounds it up to the next dollar amount and invest that, the difference in change into your Acorns account. So what I mean by that is, like, say for example, you go to your local store, and let's say that you buy like a snack or something like that. You buy like a bag of chips and maybe some like like chips and dip or something like that, right? And let's say that your total comes up to like $3.20, right? So that's your total that you have to pay. You pay that, and then it invests the extra 80 cents into your Acorns account. Now, this may not sound like a lot initially, but however, it is something that can definitely add up over time. And I've actually been a member for Acorns myself, and I've been able to accumulate, within like a month or two, about like $100, and it's something that you hardly even notice when you are actually making that investment. It doesn't really, feel like a lot when you are initially putting it in, but when you are using it long enough, then it can definitely add up over time fairly quickly, a lot quicker than you think. And it even gives you like an estimate on like what you could expect to have by like a certain age. So like, 5, 10, maybe 20 years in the future, what you could expect to make with your current, plan that you're currently on, how much you're, of course, investing each week. It can give like an estimate on what you could expect to have in that account right there. So it's a very great way to start saving up. And really, if you are looking to save up money for your future anyway, then this is definitely one that I would recommend checking out, because it's something that, pretty much helps you do it for you automatically. So you don't have to really worry about it. And yeah, it's pretty much really a no-brainer there. So it costs around $1, $2, or $3 a month, depending on the package. So it's very little to nothing. There's really, it's really not much at all. And there's really, no other fees besides that. It just helps you invest. It even helps you invest in like dividends and that type of stuff. So it's a bunch of really cool things on how to, of course, save up money that way. But this app has an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. So lots of great ratings right here. Looks like some of these, that's weird. I've seen mostly good. I've personally, from what I've seen with this app, most people that I know of have had a very great experience with this app right here. So this is one that I would definitely recommend checking out, is the Acorns app. And if you are, of course, saving up, then I would definitely recommend having an app like this. Next one, let's see, 7654. Number 3 on this list is called Ibotta. So essentially how this works is you get cash back for spending money. So they work with a lot of different well-known brands, different, store merchants, also online retailers as well. And anytime that you spend money with them, then you get cash back as well. So it helps you, get cash back, it gives you savings, and then also it gives you like certain rewards as well. So pretty much all you have to do is, of course, link it to your bank, and then once you do that, anything that you, of course, spend with, this app open, then you get points back, you get like cash back rewards and stuff like that. So a bunch of really cool stuff. And again, very similar to Acorns, once you, of course, have it set up, once you have your account set up, you don't really even think about it that much anymore. So you just pretty much go on about your life, and then any purchases that you make, it gives you extra cash back, just by having this in account with this app. So that's really how that one works there. They've got, more information that goes more into depth about it. So how it works: find money saving offers before you go shopping, find and add offers in the app for the things you want to buy. Go shopping, shop at your favorite stores, retailers, restaurants, bars, and apps, redeem offers. You could, of course, upload your receipt or link your loyalty card for instant cash back, and then you get your cash back. So it withdraw your earnings via PayPal or your choice of variety gift cards. So I always like when they include the option of PayPal, because then it's kind of like you're getting real money back, and you could pretty much use PayPal money almost everywhere, almost anywhere nowadays. So that's pretty much what that's all about there. But here are some of the different brands that they work with. So they've got a whole bunch of different brands in here. Walmart, Uber, Safeway, Drizzly, Hotel, CVS, Target, Kroger, DoorDash, Groupon, Minibar, AMC. I'm like reading all the ones here, but it has an overall rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. So lots of great reviews for the Ibotta app. One of the biggest ones that I would definitely recommend checking out. As for number 2, we have the Dosh app. Again, very similar to Ibotta actually. Save money and get cash back when you shop. So pretty much like I said before, this is another app that helps you get cash back whenever you, of course, spend money on certain merchants. So these ones, of course, some of them work with, different merchants. So of course, if you shop at one specific store often, like for example, maybe you shop at Walgreens often, then this is one that you could, of course, check out, because they work with Walgreens and you can get cash back for spending money with them. 5 reasons you'll love using Dosh to earn cash back: pay with your credit card and get cash back, cash rewards and money back whenever you shop, cash back when you book a hotel. Mobile offers are here, so a bunch of cool things that you could, of course, check out. And again, it's one that you just sign up for, and then you could start shopping for other merchants that you already are shopping for anyway. So why not get some extra cash back with them? So this is another one you could check out. But let's move on to the number 1 app in this list, and that is called TaskRabbit. Now, the reason why I really like TaskRabbit a lot is because it's kind of like, I don't know if you're familiar with a site called Fiverr.com, but that is essentially like a freelancing website. You could, of course, offer any sort of, service, online, any sort of like digital service. Well, this is exactly like that same exact concept, except TaskRabbit is specifically for offline work. So what you could do is, as a member on this platform, you could help people with things like, either moving furniture around, help moving stuff, home repairs, furniture assembly, cleaning, mounting, yard work, shopping, delivery. You could deliver things to people, and you could also lift stuff. So it's a bunch of, it's like, this app is primarily for people who, they like need extra help around the house, and you as the helper, you could of course, go to their, place. Of course, this app helps you find people that are in your local area, and then, you could of course make that specific amount that they're willing to pay for that project right there. So there is a very great earning potential with this app. Of course, there may not always be work available, but there is a potential that you could actually get long-term work with one specific customer, or maybe two people that you work with on a consistent basis. So there is a very great earning potential with TaskRabbit, and it's one of the best apps when it comes to making money on in general. So it's got a 4.2 out of 5 star rating on average. And if I go here to how it works, so tell us about your tasks. So you could of course decide what you feel comfortable doing. Moving things around is a good start. Maybe you decide you want to mow lawns for people. That's another one that you could of course earn pretty good with. So get a list of qualified available taskers, select a tasker based on pricing and reviews, and then of course you get it done. So that's pretty much how it works there. And once you of course complete the task, then you get paid that commission right there. So those are the top 7 apps that you could use to make money from your smartphone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And also be sure to give this a like, because it really does help the channel. I'd really be interested in also hearing, what apps you are considering checking out for yourself. Do you consider checking out an app known as Acorns? This is a very good one. If so, I actually do have a link down below where you could actually get a free bonus for signing up. So I think it's like a $5 bonus that it'll give both of us, where you could of course sign up to that link. And yeah, it's a great app to of course start investing with. But maybe you decide you want to do one of these other ones. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. And one thing that I want to mention real quick before I of course end this video off is, if you want to learn how to make even more money, if you want to learn how to create more of a passive income, because a lot of these apps, let's be honest, a lot of them are great ways of course, making extra money on the side. However, the downside is you oftentimes have to be putting in lots of work to of course get consistent money. Otherwise, it kind of pays like peanuts. So that's kind of the downside with a lot of these apps. Is like, it can be a great way to make some extra money on the side, but in terms of actually potentially replacing your full-time job and doing this, working online, on your own terms, it's probably not the best way for that. So if you want to learn how to create more of a passive income online, if you want to learn how to build something that can truly support you long term, my #1 link down below this video will give you access to a free training, and that will show you how to actually build up an entire business without having to deal with any inventory, no customer service. You don't have to have your own products. You could just sell other people's products and earn parts of the commissions right there. So that's really what that's all about. And if you are curious to learn more about what that is, you could check out that #1 link down below, and you could attend the free training. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and take care.